In this video, we're going to discuss how to take an order using the Cary Out function in Supermenu POS. On the main screen, we're going to hit the Cary Out button, and that'll take us to the order entry screen. In the center are all of our categories. We're going to select one of the categories that we're going to order from, and that'll bring up all of the items within that category. If we select one item, we'll see that over on the left side, under our virtual receipt, we've got the item that we ordered, the quantity of them, and the price. Down on the bottom, we've got the subtotal of what we've ordered so far. If we've applied any discounts, it would show here. Our sales tax amount is automatically calculated here, and it gives us a total. If we want to change the quantity of this, we could just order a second one, and we'll see that a second quantity comes up. We could also actually click directly on the quantity button, and a quantity screen will come up where we could change the quantity. If we select a different quantity, we'll notice that the quantity over here now changes. The price of that item will be reflected of the quantity that we ordered. If we order a different item, like ham and broccoli calzone, we'll see that this screen actually brings us into a screen with the modifiers associated with this item. Over here we see the modifier group called toppings. Within this group, we've got all of the different modifiers here. If we select one of these, we'll see the modifier is over here. We'll also see it on the receipt that the anchovies are being added to this with the price that they're being added at. If we wanted to remove this, we would just click on it over here and it would be taken off. We can add several of them of the same. We can add multiple modifiers on here, and they will just keep adding in. Once we're done adding modifiers, down at the bottom we'll click Done Modify, and we'll see that our item is over here with all of the modifiers underneath it. When we're finished with this order and ready to pay, we're going to come down to the bottom, hit the Pay button. That will take us to the checkout screen. Up at the top, we've got what form of payment your customer will be paying you with. We're going to select cash. Over here is the cash tendered field. This is how much money that your customer is actually giving to you. On the right side, we've got some quick entry buttons, $5, $10, $20, and so forth. If you wanted to actually type in the amount that they're giving you, there's a number pad over here to do that. So we're going to say that our customer is giving us $21, that they have actually handed us $21 in cash. We're going to hit the Done button, and it'll pop up a box for us saying that we owe the customer 88 cents change. At this point in time, the customer receipt should have printed. Your cash drawer should have been opened so that you can make the change. And also, if you have a kitchen printer, the item, the whole order would be printed in the kitchen for the cooks to make the order. We're going to click OK, and that will actually finish taking the order in the Cary Out function. For additional videos on how to use Supermenu POS, check the website at bankcardpos.com.